everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Masuma's world, and this is our vegetable garden, our Shoker Bagan, and my husband is here with me and he's going to give you a tour that what we have in our garden. So let's start with my husband. I will ask him what is in our garden. So what do you think of this tree? Say hello.
Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me to this video. I've been so excited about this. This is our apple tree. We've got two there, and this has been with our family for over 27 years, believe it or not.
Wow, that's a long time. Know about this one?
What is that? I have no idea. What is that? What plant is that?
It's rosemary. You can see there's some rosemary. Yeah, he doesn't come in the garden for some time.
Yeah, then we've got what's called the Bangladeshi, yes?
Yeah, that's right. It's Bangladeshi.
Which is what's
called the stick. Why the stick is long?
Yeah, so those that don't know what Bangladeshi means, that's one of the pumpkins that we have.
What do you think of this one?
Yeah, what is that?
It's kochu shak.
Kochu shak. It's a type of spinach, guys.
Yes, it's like a spinach. It's like a green vegetable. And this one is like spinach as well. It's called Heisa shak. It's in it's a facility, but I don't know.
Try saying that, guys. And then you've got a bit at the back. What's that?
It's tomatoes.
Tomatoes right at the back, and the bit there in the middle.
Again, is kochu shak, and that one is in the middle is dugi.
Okay.
Denga.
So if you guys know what those things are in English, let us know.
Heisa. How about that one?
We've got more pumpkins growing. We've got the opportunity for them to dangle from the top, as you can see, all ready for them. You'll see in a few weeks' time when they start to appear.
And this? What do you think of this one?
What are they?
It's dugi.
Okay, more dugi.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And this one is very special. This one is aubergine.
Aubergines, excellent. Yeah.
And these are onion shallots, and this one is button beans.
Yes, we've got
at the end is button beans.
Neighbour's garden at the back. Ignore that. That's our neighbour's garden.
You know, button beans is from Alima school.
Is it from Alima school? Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
And these are Bangladeshi beans.
Bangladeshi beans there. And as you can see, they'll grow to that height. Looking forward to them growing in a few weeks' time. What's that? Coriander.
Yeah.
You can see the flowers.
Very good. You recognize the coriander.
Yeah, I do know my coriander.
And this one? Tell me this one.
What is that? I don't know, mint.
Oh my god, yeah that's right.
Go.
Very good. Well done. Yeah. What do you think of this one?
Not sure about that.
How about this?
These roses we got ages ago, and they're still surviving, which is a good sign.
And that one?
What is that?
These are coriander. Sure. This one? This?
I'm not sure about that.
Strawberry, come on.
Yes. I actually got the strawberry myself a few years ago.
Oh my god.
So yes, they produce strawberries if you're good.
And this one,
That's
big tree?
That's a lemon tree. Yes,
that's very good.
We have a lemon tree here, as you can see. It looks beautiful in the sunshine. It's such a warm day as well, as you can see. Looks like we've oiled them, the leaves.
And that one is
roses,
pink rose,
pink roses there. And yes, as you can see, my mum loves her Bangla Khudu, so she's got more there growing in her vegetable garden.
These are not Bangla Khudu, okay? These are beans, basically. Beans. You know, Bangladeshi beans.
I thought they were Khudu. Okay. Correct.
And about this one?
I stand corrected.
This one, you tell this.
What is that? I have no idea. What is that?
Is
no idea.
It's a Aubergine.
My husband thinking they're all Khudu.
That's not.
No.
It's not Khudu.
Okay.
These are all are green beans, Bangladeshi beans. Yeah.
As you can see, my mum loves her garden.
And this one is Khudu. That one.
More Khudu there. It's part of her Shoker Bagan, which is her interest in gardening. It's amazing what she does in her spare time.
Yeah.
Keeps her busy and healthy as well, doesn't it?
It is. So let me tell you guys, this is, you can see, is coriander. The flower, you can see the white flower. That one is coriander, fresh coriander. This one is Naga, hot chili. It's a Bangladeshi hot chili.
Which you love so much, isn't
And
it?
this is our beautiful catty.
What's that cat's name?
You tell.
Bulbuli, right?
It's a bird's name, guys. It's a bird's name.
My mum
in
named
Bangladesh.
it Bulbuli of all the names. That's the name. She never calls it that. She always calls it Bilu.
Yeah, we call her Bilo, and she is 9 years old. And she likes to eat and she likes to
Sleep.
That's it. That's her job.
What do you expect from a cat?
Look, you can see she's already sleeping. So that's the Naga, and this is mint leaf, a mint tree, fresh mint. This one is Aubergine. That one is fresh Bangladeshi beans. All are fresh Bangladeshi beans. And this one is Duki. I don't know the English name. And they all are Aubergine, guys. You can see this one is onion shallots.
So this is our progress from a week ago.
Yeah, this is button bean.
Which Masuma has forgotten to mention that this is week 2.
Yeah,
she hasn't gone through the...
You can see the long one.
Video the way we started. She's gone through the other way. So if you have noticed, some of the plants have grown a lot since last week.
Yes.
And they have gotten taller as well.
That's right.
And bigger.
Yeah, that's right. As you can see, they all are growing up.
They're like children.
Yeah, it's like a children. Can you see? This is really nice tree. The leaf is really tangy and it's sweet and tangy. It's really nice with curry or chutney. That one, look at these. Oh my god.
Look at that hodu plant there. Last week it was a lot shorter.
Yeah, it is growing up.
Then back to the apple plants again.
This is our
trees.
Yeah.
Yes. And then you're going further down there, which I didn't film last week.
This is cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah,
not the ones that we know. It's the Bangladeshi type.
Yeah, Bangladeshi type. You can see the flower is come out. Yeah. So this one is cucumber as well.
All those to add to our salad, guys. Yeah.
And this is duki.
More duki there.
These beans. I think maybe different kind of beans. There's so many different types of beans here. It's not just like one type. There's so many different types of beans. And this one is aubergine as well. Again is bangla khodu and pumpkin.
I'm noticing a pattern in the vegetables. You've got aubergines, a lot of khodu, and
there's another lemon tree. That one is
lemon tree as well.
Yeah, they all are different types of
so many types of vegetables or types of beans and I was gonna say coconuts. I mean pumpkins. Yeah.
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 And then you have further down the strawberry plant. Further down.
Yeah. And these are flowers. Yeah. This one is lemon tree. You know already. And these are strawberries. You can see the flower. That means strawberries will come soon. Yeah.
Can't wait.
And this is another what is called in English.
We can ask the viewers to let us know. Comment below.
I don't even know the name.
Thanks for filming the sheets in the background. But yeah.
Don't look at this.
That is most of our vegetable garden.
Yeah.
Now I'm filming it, as you can see. It's later on in the evening, I think a day or two later. It did rain, I think, or maybe my mum had watered the plants. So it's a bit more duller, it's not as sunny as the previous days that we had filmed. So the apple plant or tree, as you can see, you won't see much of a difference, but the apples will appear, believe us. They will appear, but not so soon. Now we're going down further. I just want to show you some of the progress update of our plants. That's the Bangla hodu there. Just to show you from the place, as you can see, the flowers have also started to appear as well. So we'll get them to...
Tell me the name of this.
I've forgotten already. What was it? Yeah.
This is Heisa and Kochu Shak. I mentioned so many times, but he doesn't know.
Type of spinach, yeah.
Yeah.
And we've got tomatoes at the back lined up. Then further at the front, what was that again?
Kochu Shak.
Okay, more spinach and spinach. And coriander in the middle section.
These are coriander.
Yeah. You can actually smell the aroma coming from the coriander. Just love it. And then what's that? Yeah.
This one are khodu.
More
The
pumpkins.
Pumpkins,
Yeah.
Pumpkins. And this is our next door garden.
Yeah, we're also competing with them. Who can get their khudu first? That's the competition.
Yeah.
The women tend to fight over the first khudu.
This is Naga hot chili. These are hot chili. This one is hot chili as well. And I love spice. I love hot chili. And this is kind of spinach, the red one. This one, all the tomatoes and beans. Yeah, button beans. These are button beans tree at the end. Yeah. God, it's growing already.
Yeah. You'll see how much it grows and how it fills up the garden. You won't be able to see our neighbour's garden in a few weeks' time.
Yeah, definitely.
It will look like a forest, basically.
It is.
Starting to look as though. See the height they get to? Those that don't know, have not seen the khudus, well, you'll see.
Coriander again. Yeah. These are so nice. Fresh coriander.
Your hand smells of coriander.
Mint. Mint.
It's like you've just touched the coriander and started to talk about them as well.
And strawberries.
Yes.
These are strawberries, guys. As you can see, strawberries already here.
There's nothing like your own grown vegetables and fruits.
This is fresh lemon tree. And this one is flower. Yeah, these are flowers. Aubergine. And again is beans.
More beans.
These are beans. Yeah, beans tree. Aubergine again. And again, there's so many beans. Because it's like she loves bean.
Okay guys, hopefully you've enjoyed our 2-week video showing our vegetable garden. We will be showing more videos in the coming weeks. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and press the notification button so you don't miss out on our future videos.
And thank you for watching with us. You take care. Bye.
Bye guys.